All right. Good morning. I'm having a late morning over here. Get into my account. And I am ready. All right, let's do some basics. ATR is 600. We've moved 366. So we can easily move pretty much double that. 600 brings us back towards this little area of supply, honestly. That's probably where I'd be watching. Daily chart supply. And that could be trouble. That could be trouble. But honestly, seems like with everything in Iran, it looks like it's kind of simmering down. Who knows though? Could be manipulation. Trump likes to do that, so might get just a manipulation back down and then escalation back up in the war. So, but yeah, okay. So we have a target for today to the upside. It's pretty much that daily chart level of supply. So right now, for me, I am perfectly fine with taking buys up to that area. Let's take a look at VWAP. Ooh, VWAP is sideways. Pretty much sideways. Alright, not the end of the world, but might make us chop around. Big orders at 30. 30 could be interesting. Potentially. 130. Maybe some longs off of 130, 125 area. Okay, straight up price action. Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put an order at 130 and I'm going to go to the bathroom because I've been dealing with food poisoning. So let's see if I can just blindly put an order in, go to the bathroom, and then by the time I'm back, we have a trade. Let's see. One. Dang. This is kind of horrifying. Okay, so here is the order, and let's see what happens. BRB. Dang it. So close. Thought we were going to be able to clip farm that. Oh. Maybe we will. Hold on. Oh my god. Okay, well, not the clip that I was looking for. But, all right. Okay, blasted through. Let me check the book map. Yeah, there were orders there on book map. We just blasted through everything. Interesting, interesting. Well, now starting the day out with a nice loser on the books. This week has not been fun, but honestly, that's what I get for putting a limit order. I hate using limit orders. Okay, let me go back to the charts. Let's see, what do we got? Not a lot on bookmap, not a lot on the charts. What a lovely start to the day. It's okay, we can easily make it back on the next trade. That was a small loser on a 15-second chart. Straight just reversal. Let me check if there's any news. Did you short it there? No. I wish. Trump, I will express my disgust with NATO in his speech, says he is absolutely considering withdrawing the U.S. from NATO. Okay. All right. Here we go. The Trump pump is reversing. Bouncing off the demand right now, but there's not a lot. There's not a lot here other than that little demand level. It's also VWAP. But see, this is what happens when VWAP is sideways. The trading conditions always suck. See how sideways this VWAP is? Just literally flat. This is what happens. You get these just zoom, zoom, just crazy moves, chomping around. Trying along here. Hold on. Do I actually like this? I'm going to cut that. I'm not liking the way that's moving. Let's let it flush out. Thank God I cut it. Man, this week has just been total poopy. Total shite. Could reverse here at the midline. Good. All right, trying another long here. Okay, just immediately getting shot right back down. Interesting. Fascinating. There are some orders below. Don't really like that. Yeah, this is not looking great. There's some orders down at 50. Some big orders down at 50. This thing needs to just explode or I'm out. And it is not exploding. Wow, dude, these sellers just ruthless. Come on. Come. Oh my God. Holy crap. What is going on? Can you just pick a direction? Okay, we're going to just go to a break even. Okay, yeah, whatever. Just get me out of that. Now it's going to explode, right? Yep, I wanted to re-enter there and I did not pull the trigger and there it goes. Wow, my luck is terrible. My luck has been terrible this week, guys. Holy shit. And by luck, I just mean my own execution. Oh my lord, bro. Every day I sit here and I'm getting out right before the move or just missing the move completely. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Well, I'm sure some of you guys caught that. You guys, anybody catch that? You guys always catch the moves, man. Unreal, dude. What is wrong with me this week? Like, how am I managing to get out for a break even literally every fucking time at right before the move happens? Like, I need to just not go to break even. That's what I need to start doing. Like, seriously. Just stop going break even. this is very tilting, man. I feel like every day I'm getting on here and I'm just getting tilted. I don't really know why am I live streaming? Why don't I just trade? Why don't I just focus on my trading? I don't know. Look at this move. Like, I wouldn't mind if I missed this stuff once in a while, but it's like when I'm live streaming, it seems like I just miss every freaking move. It's unreal. Like, I literally call out the move. I have the zone. I have the zone marked out ahead of time. Everything's ahead of time. Okay, it's not like I'm in hindsight. And then I just somehow the market chops and I do the 1 millisecond wrong move. So frustrating. Thank you, Catnip. Thank you, Never If Not for Now. But yeah, you know, I'll just keep live streaming and we'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'll figure out how to somehow stop. I don't know what. I honestly don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know. Like, once again, I don't know if it's the stream or if it's the pressure. Like, I don't know. It's not even like I'm losing tons of money. It's that I'm missing the big moves that normally would make me all the money. You know, that's the issue. It's not like I'm losing tons of money. It's that I'm not hitting those big trades that make all the money, even though I'm marking them out ahead of time. That's what makes me so mad. And then it's like, the next trade, watch, the next trade, I'm going to freaking enter it and it's going to be a loser because I missed the last trade, you know? That seems to be how it works. Okay, I'm getting long here, by the way. Sorry, I'm tilted. So let's see if my theory holds true. Yeah, this thing just gets blasted through. Okay, I like this so far. Come on. Don't put me in a chop fest now. Oh my god. Bro. Trailing? Okay, out. I'm happy with that. After that after that rage and VWAP being completely sideways today, you don't want to be greedy on a day like today. You don't want to be greedy. VWAP is totally sideways. The market is not trending. You see that? Now it's going all the way back down. Now, I actually think this thing is going to end up going all the way back up to highs, probably. But I'll take that little trade right there, just to make me happy. Okay, well, the market proved me wrong. I was talking all that smack saying it was going to blow through, and I ended up pretty much bottom taking it. So, funny how that works, isn't it? And the reason behind that trade, I didn't really speak on it because I was ranting, but it was a little order zone, 15-second order zone here. 15-second order zone, and it also had some orders on bookmap as well. At 80. 80? Just about 80, yeah. So yeah, pretty textbook order zone there. You get that M shape, liquidity, demand. It's also in another area of demand, right? So it's like an order zone out coming off of a level of demand, so that helped. And then the overall bias today, as you saw if you were in the early stream, is up to yesterday's, or not yesterday's, but a daily level of supply right up here. So there's the recap. Set an entry and go have another poo. Let the toilet decide your fate. Yeah, right? I'm WL. Oh, what's up, WLG? Your name isn't your email, I don't think. It just says never if not for now. Death Cloud, what's up? If it helps, for me, seeing you analyze the zones and entries helps me a lot. It gives me confidence that I'm on the right track. Good. Good. I like to hear that. Sorry you have not been having luck. Your live streams have really helped me. Had my first profitable month. Hell yeah, Trent. Hell yeah. Oh, this thing's about to start ripping now. See, this is where holding or trading. You know, I'm next week I'm probably going to start trading PA accounts. This week I've just been passing a lot of evals. But next week I'm going to be trading micros instead of minis. And we'll be able to try to hold positions longer. Because right now I'm only having one, I have one mini. I'm trading one mini at a time. So it's not like I can take half of a position off or anything like that. Like I literally either have to go all out or all in. But like if I was trading this ideally, I would take maybe half off here. And then literally try to hold the rest until like these highs. That's the ideal play. Oh yeah, this thing's going to the highs. Although actually right here is a pivotal area. There's some big orders at 150. That's where it's rejecting right now. Oh, and that's actually an area of supply as well. So this could be an area of trouble, or at least some choppiness maybe. Guys, by the way, Apex Trader Funding, I didn't realize it, but they actually they have their 90% off sale back. They always have that thing. So they brought back the 90% off sale. At least let me double check that. So you can get an account for like 20 bucks, I think. New product evals up to 90% off. Hold on, let me test this out real quick. Let me see if I I'm gonna, just for you guys, I'm gonna purchase an eval and see how much it is, so I can make sure you guys are getting the best deal with code ST, of course. All right. Oh, look at this thing still going at the midline. If it blows through the midline, then 100% we're going to the highs. Just give me a second, guys. On my other screen, I'm just looking at the Apex evals. 50K intraday. Code ST. And let me see how much it is. $24. They raised their prices? They did, those motherfuckers. $249 for a trade of 8 intraday drawdown count. So they're just raising their prices and then increasing their discounts. $24 is still not bad, but yeah. Anyways, so yeah, you get 90% off with code ST. That'll give you 90% off. It's because it's $249 and 90% off. You get $24.90. So $24.90. Let me check their other products. 50K trade of 8 end of day drawdown. Yeah, okay. That is confirmed. So 90% off sales going on right now. Are there any fees? Do these funded accounts expire after a special time? No, they renew every month. So usually, ideally, you want to pass them before a month ends, because then you're basically paying for 2 accounts, right? So ideally what I do is I'll pay, $20 for an eval, pass it within a month, and then there's the only fee after that is the activation fee, which is about $100. $89. It's $89. So all in all, you're paying about $100 for the account. But what I like about Apex is that their evals are so cheap that it's almost like you're paying $100 for like an instant funded account, right? Because the eval is like almost nothing. It's $20. Like, if you lose $20, who cares? But at the only time you actually have to pay a little bit more money is when you're actually paying for the funded account. So it's like but that's worth it, right? You're paying for the funded account that you can actually get payouts out of. So I just try to pass the eval within a month, and then you're basically paying $89 for a funded account, which is like super, super cheap. It's a good deal. I don't know why anybody would buy a straight to funded account. It's no longer monthly? Oh, are you serious? I didn't even notice that. It's just a one-time fee? Wait, that's insane. Let me check that out real quick. By the way, look at how this supply level is holding. It's not even a supply level. It's actually a bearish order zone. It's actually a full-blown order zone that also had some pretty serious orders on Bookmap as well. So this thing actually could turn all the way back around here. Yeah, I guess it is. It is. Oh, dang, this thing's coming right back up. It is a one-time fee, actually. It's not reoccurring. Wow, I did not know that. Well, that's nice. That's crazy that they did that. Dang, wow, this thing came right back up. That is wild. All right, anyways, let's focus and focus. Do you have to pay for trade rate? Nope, nope, nope. Everything comes with the account. It's a pretty crazy deal. Even if you just have the $20 evaluation account, you get the trade of 8 data. You get everything. You get everything for included. You just get a sign in. You get a username and password for Tradevate. You sign in. Boom. You're in. You're trading. Do you prefer intraday to end of day? End of day is always going to be better. But hold on. Sorry, I'm watching this. But I usually get intraday just because it's like I don't have much trouble passing an intraday versus an end of day. So, I mean, end of day logically is better though, obviously. Like, but it depends on your position sizing too. Like if you're not trading minis and you're trading micros, the trailing drawdown really doesn't matter much because you're not going to be up a huge amount and give it all back. If that makes sense. That's the only time intraday trailing matters, is if you're up like $1,000 and then you go to a break even and then it hits your break even. That means that you're technically taking an $1,000 loss. That's what intraday trailing means. Whereas if you're on end of day trailing, you are not taking a loss. You are just taking a break even. It doesn't affect your account being blown by the drawdown. So if you're up 1,000, down 1,000, then the trailing drawdown is going to kill you. But if you're up a couple hundred, down a couple hundred, you'll be fine. See what happens when VWAP is sideways, guys? Price just goes sideways. We're just slowly sideways, slowly grinding. Okay, some serious selling is coming in here now. Up on the floor, already know. Dang, was that really just wicked back in? I'm trying to short here, but I'm not. I'm short on this little move here, and I'm gonna be aggressive with it. Off of the bearish order zone. Probably gonna be a break-even trade, but it's worth it. Worth a little shot. It's a counter trend trade, so it's naturally going to be harder to squeeze a profit out of. Let's see if we can just get a quick capitulation down. That would be the ideal circumstance. Buyer stepped in there. Boom. Yeah. All right. Dang, did that really count as a loss, bro? It slipped me. Slipped me for $10. Screw you. Right back in now. Probably just gonna go to highs at this point. Let's see. There's actually a 15-second order zone right here that it's bouncing off of. This thing might still go lower. Oh, yeah. What a freaking tough day. With the VWAP sideways, you know, it's like, look at this chop. What am I supposed to do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I think I'm gonna try to short it. Me thinks me gonna short it. I haven't yet though. Hold on. I can't decide. It's just so choppy. I don't think I'm gonna trade this. It looks like it wants to go though, man. Potentially. But it's just so sideways, and there's big orders above those highs on the book map, so not ideal. Okay, it looks like it wants to go to 24,200. Weemy Apex says that it'll expire after 30 days. Wait, what? It'll expire after 30 days? Where'd you see that? Maybe I missed it. I don't know. Somebody says it's not monthly anymore. Alright, so yeah, there you go. Thankfully, I did not short that. But now we are finally hitting the highs. Finally hitting the highs. See, remember the long that I took down here? If we were still in that, you know, if I still had half on. Although that would have been absolute hell trying to hold on to that. You know, this is still technically a bearish order zone. And it just filled some big orders once again. If it holds this zone, I might have no choice but to short it. Still so many big orders above, though. 24,200. Lots of orders at 24,200, which is literally right above this high. So there's your literal liquidity above the high. Make my life easy, please. Just make my life easy and just either explode through or give a setup, not chop. Pretty please? No chop? Kind of want it to just explode through. Oh, well, now it's moving. Thing looks like it wants to go down. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Looking for potential short. No, I'm going to stay out of this. Man, I need to get a screen that can show you guys the bookmap orders. There's just so many right above this area. Although I am trying not to put so much emphasis on bookmap orders because we are holding the zone. Oh my god, dude. I can't with this choppy market, man. It's just can't make a decision. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Oh, well, I just entered short on accident, kind of. So let's see how this goes. Not a great entry. Don't really love this. And it's about to just explode up now. Wow. Just get me out. Just get me out, bro. And now I'm break even on the day. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Oh, what is this? What is happening? What is happening? Okay, I'm shorting this. I don't know what's happening, but I'm trying to take advantage of volatility. And now all of a sudden we're dead again. What? Did I miss something? What just happened? We're just not moving? Dude, what is this price? Like, it's just sideways. Oh my god. Okay. All right. All right. I don't know what I'm supposed to do in this market. It's just totally sideways. And back down, and back up, and back down, and back up. I'm going to lose my mind, man. I'm going to lose my mind. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. Just completely sideways. Okay. Are we finally just, like, literally either just blow it out of the water or fail? Regarding the expiration thing, I'm pretty sure it says it expires in 30 days every day, which means it doesn't really expire. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Well, today's been eventful. A lot of trades, but not a lot of great trades. A lot of trades, that's for sure. Not a lot of great trades. Okay, so there's the break. That's pretty much what we've been waiting for. And unfortunately just got a little chopped up right before that. It's okay. I'm down less than one R, down $100. It can be made back, but you know, never fun. Never fun to be down. Especially after the last 2 days. Actually, yesterday I believe I ended green off stream. I don't know if I sent that trade in the Discord. Maybe I did. But I barely ended yesterday green, I think by $200. But honestly, $200 day is basically a break-even day. So basically break even this whole week, which is crazy. So now, man, look at this freaking shot, man. I think I'm gonna add a rule that if VWAP is sideways, I just don't trade. I might have to add that rule to my my playbook. Because every time VWAP is like this, it looks like this, trading is really freaking hard. Apex does not accept my hometown. Illegal character. What? Where do you... I thought Apex had accepted pretty much everybody. He's from Iran. Actually, I believe... Yeah, I was about to say, I believe Catnip is a woman. The Netherlands? They don't accept the Netherlands? What the heck? Just grinding slowly but surely up. There's actually some orders at 160 here, but like it's on the 15-second chart. It's gonna be tough to trade. Wow. Just look at this freaking price action, man. Can we get a break? Can we get a break of terrible price action? Live in a small town with a weird name even in the Netherlands. I hate having to learn a new platform. I am used to MT4. Yeah, but honestly, Trade8, pretty simple to use. It's not too bad. Up 400 on the day, first entry 24.90, 24.90. Got chopped up a little bit, got back in on pullbacks into order zone. Final exit price 24.201. 24.90 to 201. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, nice. Wow, I don't. Holding through all this is impressive. That's chop. $250 from a $1,000 payout? Hell yeah, Trent. Let's go. Very nice. Now don't get cocky. Don't get cocky. Happens often. When people get close to the payout, you know how it goes. Remain calm. Remain calm. I had a dream last night. Bitcoin was up like 8% or something, and then I wake up and I thought it was real. Like I thought I woke up and checked my phone and Bitcoin was up 8%. It's not. It's not. I was disappointed when I sat on my desk today and saw that it's only up 0.4%, actually. I might just put a limit order on this zone here and just out of pure boredom. Check on penny stocks. Crazy, the Nasdaq's been so slow and boring. I've been looking at penny stocks every day. All right, Nasdaq's moving up. Just a slow grind. Coupon codes cannot be applied to resets or PA activation fees. cannot be applied to resets or PA activation fees. Yeah, it just means that once you pass the account, you're not going to get like a 90% off discount from the activation fee. Everybody pays the same fee for the activation fee, which is $89 or something like that, depending on the account, I think. Okay, hold on. Okay. Had to lock in there for a second just to see, but what's up? I'm streaming. Okay. Wait, let me say hi to Kaya. Kaya. You don't say hi to me?
She knows we're going.
Kaya. Okay. Just take her.
Come on, go say hi to Corey. Good.
Say hi. Yeah, okay. Bye. Yes, my dog's name is Kaya. Kaya. Not Kai like Kai Sinat. That'd be weird, right? Dang, where was I? God, this price action is so bad. So bad. I kind of like this zone here. Oh, okay. Never mind. Just took a loss there. Trying to trade that. Very nice. Oh, wow. Got stopped out at the bottom. Let's go. I'm trying to do too much right now. Trying again, and I think this will be my last trade of the day. Might call it after this. I know you wanna ride all night. Wow, bizarre move down. Bizarre. Okay, man, I just cannot do it today. Man, it needs to just go. Okay, let me get to break even right there. Yes. Suck my balls, NASDAQ. Now watch it come all the way back down. You can't talk to the NASDAQ like that. It won't tolerate that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. $187. Get to 187. 187. Nope. I'm going to take that. Take it! I'm just going to take it there. Call it a day. Wow. Only up $300 today. After all that trading, just to be up in this. Yeah, I was literally about to say this thing's about to explode higher. What is wrong with me, man? Look at this. Look. Okay. No, this needs to be studied, dude. This needs to be studied. My timing needs to be studied. This is happening every stream. Literally every stream. I just had to wait. These are 15-second candles. I just had to wait literally 5 more seconds. 5 more seconds. That's the difference. That would have been probably like $1,000 day right there. With just that. With just 5-second difference. Like, what are the odds of that? This is happening every stream. I'm missing trades or I'm exiting trades literally like 5 to 10 seconds before the move. And look at that. Holy crap, all the way back down. Anyways, I'm done for the day. That is all from me. Crazy. Up 300 for the day. Okay. Not terrible, not great. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, at least that was a pretty interesting stream, nonetheless. If you can say one thing, I guess it was entertaining, interesting. But not entertaining for my blood pressure and cholesterol. Anyways, use code ST at Apex Trader Funding if you want to take advantage of their 90% off sale that's going on right now. And of course, there's the free playbook if you want to learn the order zone strategy, plus all the videos on my YouTube channel, plus the in-depth free, or not free course, the paid course that is, it's the cost of a couple funded accounts. Okay, it's not a $4,000 course like everybody else is selling nowadays. It's a $200 course. Code SIMPLE100 gets you $100 off that. Okay, that's enough shilling for me. I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Oh my God, it's April. Oh God. All right, see you guys.